Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna crochet this hexagon. It's an open work, it's very easy, only 6 rounds, nothing complicated. We're gonna be using the magic ring, double crochets, chains, single crochets, and 2 double crochets together. For this motif projects, I'm using the Vanna's Choice. It's a medium 4. It requires a size 6mm hook, but today I decided to go with a 5mm hook because I naturally crochet very loosely. But whatever yarn you have, whatever hook you have, use those and see what your swatch is gonna look like. If you are not subscribed yet but really enjoy my tutorials, please subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new tutorial. And if you're ready, grab your yarn, crochet hook, give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to work. To begin this motif, we are gonna make a magic ring. So you hold the yarn, tail towards you, go around, crisscross. With the crochet hook, grab the yarn, the strand from underneath, the other one from the top, and pull through. Hold on to it, move the tails to the left, and chain 1. This way you secured it. And since we need to start with the double crochet, we'll add 2 more chains. Like chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Add another double crochet, and we got 2 double crochets. We need to have 12 double crochets separated by chain 1. So we have 6 groups. All right, let me not confuse you. Chain 1, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 more double crochets, like so. So we're gonna have 6 pairs separated by chain 1. So go ahead and add 3 more pairs separated by chain 1. And here are my 6 pairs separated by chain 1. To finish the round, chain 1, slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning to close the round. And now you can pull the tail and close this gap. Round number 2, chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, and now you're gonna put 1 single crochet in each stitch and chain around. So 2 into the double crochet, and make sure put 1 in the chain 1 space, and do that all the way around. And the last one is the 18th, so you're supposed to have 18 single crochets. Slip stitch into the 1st stitch, and there we go. Round number 3, we'll chain 5. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet plus chain 2. Into the next 2 stitches, we're gonna work 2 double crochets together. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook. There we go. Chain 2, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. And this is how we're going to be alternating. Chain 2 into the next 2 stitches. We're going to put 2 double crochets together, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, all the way around. And once you come to the end of the row, the round, chain 2 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning. And this is what we have. So you're gonna have 6 double crochets and 2 double crochets together For row number 4, we'll chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch. Round number 4, chain 1. You'll put 3 single crochets into the next space, like so, and 3 single crochets into the next space. And this is how you're gonna go all the way around. You're gonna be putting 3 single crochets in each chain 2 space. And to finish off the round, you're gonna slip stitch into the chain 1 from the beginning of the round. Like with any motif, this will need to be blocked. Don't mind that it's a little curly or curving a little bit. We'll have to either steam it or block it. So round number 5, we're gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3 counts as a double crochet. 1, 2, 3 counts as a chain 3, and we'll put a double crochet into the same first stitch. So basically we have double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Then we'll chain 2, skip 2, double crochet into the next, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the next, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the next. And this is how you're gonna go all the way around. Chain 2, skip 2, double crochet into the next, chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet into the next. All the way around, alternating. To finish off the round, we're gonna chain 2 and slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning, and like so. And this is our little hexagon is forming. And let's go ahead and put the last round, and we'll go and steam it. For round number 6, we're gonna chain 1. Into the chain 3 space, we'll put 2 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochets. So 1 single crochet, second single crochet, half double crochet is when you yarn over, insert the hook into this space, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and 2 more single crochets, 1 and 2. So this is the corner of our hexagon. 2 single crochets, half double crochet, 2 single crochets. Into the next 2 spaces, we will put only 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3 into this space. Into the next one, the same, 1, 2, 3. And now we got to the next corner, chain 3 space. We're gonna put single crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, and single crochet. And this is how you're gonna go all the way around. 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, 5, and so on. I'll meet you at the end. To finish off the round, we'll put 3 single crochets into the last chain 2 space, and a slip stitch into the chain 1 or into the first single crochet, like so. Chain 1, pull up a long loop. This is what we have. It still has a little bump. Let me go give it a good steam, and I'll be right back. And there it is, how it looks finished and steamed. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. Remove the tail. I would suggest using different colors, especially if you could use a different color for the sections with single crochets and let the other colors pop. I think that would be super awesome. As a solid color, it looks also very nice. I would use this as inserts into garments and something that is more solid, just to bring some interest to the pattern. If you're using thread, it might even look good as an earring. I would probably stop at this circle. I would not add the last 2 rounds. I think only this part would look super nice as an earring. But it's up to your imagination and creation. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Take care. I will see you soon. Bye.